2018 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 28,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, 4-wheel drive, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, aluminum wheels, leather-wrapped steering wheel, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control. This vehicle is accident-free, qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee, and is a Carfax one-owner vehicle. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.